Good morning, Jhon Marulanda here at Firkins to present this 2013 Dodge Journey. This is the SXT model. Your alloy wheels, fog lights. This one also comes with a power seat, power windows, power locks. The vehicle's in great condition with a cloth interior, silver in color. This one gives you about 19 miles per gallon in the city, 26 in the highway, 2.4 engine, 173 horsepower, with a third row for cargo or seating. The vehicle is in great condition, inside and outside. If you need any information on any of these, any other vehicles, please give me a call, 941-580-8101, or visit www.firkinscj.com.